Hey everybody, today we are in Bowie, Maryland in the Fairview neighborhood checking out this Caruso home. This is the Monticello model, and let's see what you can get here in Fairview. Welcome in to your grand entryway here. You have this beautiful staircase. Off your foyer area, you have this large dining room. As you can see, you have 2 tables in here just to show you how big it is. Of course, you can just get one long table, but I actually kind of like that design. Here you have your formal living room. And then you have optional conservatory or sunroom. Lots of natural sunlight. I think they discontinued that particular design, but let's talk to Caruso together to see what options you have still. All right, here is your powder room. Leading off to your office. Nice built-in shelves. Plenty of space. Gotta make some money, live in this house, so that's where you're gonna do all that. And here is your nice and large, great room. As you can see, has a nice stone fireplace, coffered ceiling. Big enough to fit 2 L-shaped couches. Quite impressive, right? And then, kitchen, of course, and you have your morning room here as well. It's gonna come over here to the morning room. Lots of natural sunlight coming into this room here. Then you have your kitchen, which has been beautifully designed here. We have your cafe appliances, quartz countertops. Of course, they have the backsplashers, also the quartz material as well. And you get a walk-in pantry. Laundry room is on this level before we head upstairs. All right, you guys, so we are going to see what makes this home really special, and I think this primary bedroom, not only is it massive, but it's also very practical. So you have your bed here, of course, as soon as you walk in. Have your first walk-in closet. A decent size, right? Also have your sitting room. Nice built-ins, nice fireplace. Very functional. As you can see, lots of natural sunlight coming in. Gorgeous view of the other homes in the neighborhood as well. All right, you get additional closet here for linen. And then you get this massive, and I do mean massive, walk-in closet. Here in your primary bathroom, you have double vanity sink, nice soak-in tub, and a large shower featuring 2 shower heads, 2 entryways as well. Straight ahead is your water closet, but straight ahead of me is what could be an additional closet, or you could use it as they have it here as an additional workout room. You don't have to leave your bedroom. I think this is cool. I think I might make this an office. Well, this is me personally, I'll probably make the basement where the gym is. All right, we have 3 additional bedrooms on this level. Here is bedroom number 2. featuring its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, of course. Linen closet here. Here is bedroom number 3 on this floor, which also has a nice walk-in. It does have an attachment to the shared bathroom. And here's bedroom number 4. This bedroom has a lot of natural sunlight. I love the color they chose. It's one of the favorite colors for bedrooms one of my favorite colors for bedrooms. And this room also has a nice walk-in closet. And as always, we're not done yet. Take this gorgeous view in of your entryway, and I'll meet you guys in the basement. All right, you guys, before we see the rest of the basement, we're gonna start things off by checking out the bathroom since it's right here. This is a full bathroom. And your basement starts here. So you can see, nicely designed and thought out area there. Cool drink station. I love how they imagine the spaces. It really helps you to figure out how you can do yours. And here's the main recreation area. You can see, great for recreating, relaxing with family members and friends, loved ones. They do have a bar here. All right, you guys, and here is an optional room as well. They have this stage as a game room. And here is your media room. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this home in the comments. I'll share pricing in the caption and some information about where you can actually purchase this model in the caption as well. If this is your first time to the channel, thank you so much for coming. Please hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, as always, I'm so appreciative of you coming and engaging here. So please hit that like button, share, and leave a comment as well. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the DMV area, remember, my name is Christian Givens. I'm your favorite DMV realtor. Peace.